Strengthen and sculpt with yoga, a comprehensive muscle-building routine. Experience the power of yoga to transform your body. This ancient practice can serve as an effective tool in building muscle mass, enhancing flexibility, and improving overall body strength. Flow into the day with the sun salutation, a sequence of movements which stretches and strengthens the whole body. This dynamic exercise enhances blood circulation and prepares your muscles for the day ahead. Move on to the Warrior Two pose, a classic yoga posture that targets your arms, legs, and core. Feel your muscles engage as you maintain your balance and focus on your breathing. Bridge pose is next, a perfect exercise for the back and glutes. As you raise your hips off the floor, you'll feel your muscles contracting and working hard to maintain this challenging position. Don't forget your arms. The downward dog pose not only stretches your entire body but also strengthens your arm and shoulder muscles, giving you defined and toned arms over time. Transition into the chair pose, which works on your thighs and calves while also engaging your core for stability. This pose is excellent for building lower body strength and endurance. Next up, we have the plank pose. Considered the ultimate core exercise in yoga, it strengthens your abdominal muscles while also working your arms, back, and legs. The bow pose brings a fun challenge. As you lift your upper body and legs off the floor, you'll strengthen your back muscles, improving posture and reducing back pain. Engage your lower abs with the boat pose. Balance on your sit bones and raise your legs, creating a V shape with your body. This pose is also great for improving balance and stability. Try the triangle pose to tone your legs and oblique muscles. This pose is also known to improve digestion, making it a holistic choice for overall health. Lastly, unwind with the corpse pose. While it may not seem like a muscle-building exercise, this pose allows the body to relax, recover, and prepare for the next session.